friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique. If you're new, welcome. Today's tutorial is going to be on this blue pink neon. You guys know I'm so into the neons right now, and I used the Makeup Shack Rainforest palette, and I do not have a code with them, but Rocio does, so I'll put it right here. If you want to order this palette, which is super affordable, then you can use code Rocio to save money. Also, I just wanted to say that I'm so sorry that it's been like over a week since I have uploaded. Things have been really crazy in my work life, in my personal life, my beauty community life. So I've been trying to do looks and get them out and put them on Instagram. My eyes are so sensitive to these lights, by the way, just so you know. That's why I have a hard time like looking directly at the camera, because I have a big light right behind it and then a ring light in front of it, and when I look straight on, it just kind of like makes my eyes really sensitive. Oh, so I have been trying to post more content to Instagram because it takes a really long time to film, it takes a really long time to edit, it takes a really long time to upload because our internet is crap here. So I've been trying to create looks that I'm not filming to post to my Instagram, and so I still want to be consistent and upload twice a week to my YouTube channel, but then in between, some days if I have time, I can just create a look real quick and put it on my Instagram. So if you guys don't follow me there, please do so. If this is not your first time watching my channel, please subscribe, because that means that you like me, because you keep coming back. And if this is your first time, then I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please subscribe. I also just want to say really quick thank you to everybody who has hyped me up and followed me and supported me and subscribed to me. Everything is like starting to finally come together, and I'm so excited about it. I made the Anastasia Beverly Hills PR list, which is huge because it's just like the best list that you could possibly make, and Norvina has been so wonderful and so kind and so understanding, and I'm just so grateful for everything, and I couldn't just post this video without at least saying thank you to everybody for everything that you've done for me. I don't want to cry this makeup off because I still need to take pictures, but it literally means the world to me, and this is my dream. And when I started this, it was as a hobby because I didn't think it would ever amount to anything. I didn't think I was good enough. I didn't think that people would like my content. I didn't think anybody would ever even find me or search for me or anything, and it's just surreal to me that now we're like over 4,100 subscribers on YouTube. That is amazing because the YouTube is so hard to grow. It's so hard, but I'm just eternally grateful to all of you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna be quiet and keep it moving. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this tutorial, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, it has been a minute. Today we are going to be dipping into this Makeup Shack Rainforest palette, and I think I want to start off with this really dark blue right here. I'm just going to start off by picking that up with an M433 brush, and I'm going to pack that into my crease and a little bit above to kind of get my shape down. I'm actually going to pick up the Makeup Shack T73. It's just a more condensed pencil brush, and I feel like that's going to help me pick up a little bit more of that color and to get it packed on. And then I'm going to take an M506 brush, and I'm just going to use it to start blending out the edges. The next shade I'm going to dip into is this one right here because it's a little bit lighter. I'm picking that up on a JH42 brush. It's just a little tiny brush that I can just pack that on right on the edge of that, and then we can blend it out. And then I'm just going to go in with a different M506 brush to blend that out as well. This look is going to be messy with fallout, so that's why I don't have anything else on my face, because I'm going to do that after. The next shade I'm going to dip into is this really beautiful light blue right here. This is one of my favorite shades in the whole palette, and that is what inspired this look. I'm going to take an M508 brush, and I'm just going to use that to pack that on right on the edge of that last blue shade that we put on. You don't have to go as high as I am, but I love to bring shadow to my brow. I know that's not everybody's cup of tea, and that's cool. You can do it however you want. And then again, I'm going to take another clean M506 brush. This is my favorite blending brush, and I have like 6 of them. And I'm going to use that to blend this lighter blue shade out. And so what I'm doing is taking a little bit of just whatever concealer or base or anything that you use to cut your crease, and I'm literally just going to wiggle it around here. So the thing is, I'm going to try to get the shape down first, and then I'll go back in and fill it in. But I just wanted to show you guys this, so I don't know if I can really talk through it, but I'll do my best. So I kind of go over and under. And then I go all the way to the end. And then I'll just go back and add some more base to that so that I can lay down some neon pigments on it and make it look better. And so I'm just going to take this Helen E neon pigment, and this is in Pure Pigment 30, and I'm just going to use that same brush, and I'm just going to pack this on. And it will be messy, so that's why I didn't do the rest of my face yet. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I learned this trick from Rocio Ceja, is I'm going to take some eye makeup remover. This is just a Mary Kay one that I've had for like a long time, and I'm going to take a Morphe M124 brush, and I'm going to put a little bit of that makeup remover on there, and I'm going to tap any excess off onto my makeup wipe, and then I'm going to use that to cut my crease again, because I want to get rid of like a lot of this blue. And I'm just gonna like cut my crease down here because I want to keep that dark blue that's under that pink for the most part. This just helps to get rid of really dark colors so that it doesn't mix in with our base. And in between strokes, I'm just wiping it off on the makeup wipe so I get rid of the blue, because it will, you know, obviously transfer and move around. And then I'm going to go back in with my base, and I'm just going to cover that area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip back into the darkest blue, and I'm going to place that right down here along my lash line. And then once I have all the color on there, then I'll just blend it out a little bit again. And then I'm going to go back in with that medium blue, and I'm going to pack that right over just like we did before. And then I'll go back and blend that out as well. And then I'm going to go back in with that lightest blue to finish this off. And then I'm not going to blend the top of that out because it's nice and cut. So I'm just going to blend the bottom of it out. where it meets that middle shade of blue. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this tape off. Ow! Okay, so I went ahead and primed under my eyes. And next I'm going to take this Inglot gel liner in the shade 77. It's just black. And I'm just going to focus that like right underneath my lower lash line, like right up against it. And then I'm going to go over top of it with this black shade. And I'm just using a very tiny pencil brush. This is the JH39, and I use that to blend that out. And then I'm going to pick up a little bit of that medium blue to blend that out. And then I'm going to go back into that lightest blue and blend under that again. Okay, so my camera died and I went ahead and did like my full face, like the foundation, bronzer, contour, all of that stuff. And I do have a video for that, so if you guys want to see that, I'll link it up above. And then I also put on lashes, mascara, and I put some of that pink pigment on the inner corner of my lash and on my lash line. For lips, I'm going to go in with this Helen E Cosmetics. This is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Ochre. And then I'm going to go over top of it with this Kylie gloss in the shade Don't Slip. And then I'm going to set my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, you guys, that concludes my tutorial on this blue pink neon-y look. I'm so into the neons right now. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of that from me. Again, I'm sorry that I haven't been able to film in a while. I've been trying to get looks out anyway, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so, because I'm still gonna try to stay regular with my channel and post twice a week, but I'm gonna try to post more looks to my Instagram that I'm not gonna film, just because I'm trying to get more content out there for brands. And you know, because I made the ABH list, I want to be as consistent as possible, and filming takes a really long time, so I feel like I can get more out if I don't film everything. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.